7 riddles to know how old your brain is. Do you have the habits of a young man or a smart old turtle? Our cognitive abilities reach the peak in our 20s, but that doesn't mean we lose our smartness later. Here are some riddles that we at Smart is the New Sexy prepared for you to exercise your gray matter. Each right answer will give you 1 point. The results are waiting for you at the end of the video. Number 7. Look carefully at this face and try to remember it. Now try to find a person whom this face belongs to. It was the face of this woman. Number 6. Here is a world-famous painting by Van Gogh. You'll be given 10 seconds to remember it as well as you can. After, you'll be asked 3 questions about this painting. Here are your 10 seconds. What color was the blanket on the bed? Number 5. How many chairs were there in the room? Number 4. What color were the curtains on the window? Here are the right answers. The blanket was red, there were 2 chairs in the room, and there were no curtains. Number 3. Look carefully at this picture for 5 seconds. And now look at another picture for 5 seconds. Ready for the question? Which square remained white in both pictures? The right answer is square number 3. Number 2. Look carefully at both pictures and tell us, what is the mistake that's there in both photos? You can pause the video to have more time for thinking. Number 1. Look carefully at this picture. If you see a woman's body, it's normal. Most people see the same. And now try to find 2 dancing people here. Pause the video and continue playing it only when you find them, or when you get tired of looking at the picture. Remember to add 1 point if you found the answer. Now it's time to look at our results. If you manage to spot and solve all 7 riddles, it means that your brain is similar to the brain of a little child. Now don't worry, it doesn't mean that you're silly. Conversely, it means that your brain has an ability to spot out tiny details at once. And if you manage to solve 3 to 6 of them, it means that your brain is still young. It can adjust to new environments very quickly. If you only managed to answer 2 or 1 questions, or you didn't manage to answer any of them at all, it means that you have an adult brain, which means that it's not very flexible, and it's very difficult to distract your attention from everyday routine. What is your result? What does it say about you? Share it with your friends and see what they think. And remember to click subscribe to be among the smart and the sexy.